Africa has 5 biomes: rainforests, desert, Mediterranean, mountain, and savanna.
Today, you get to add another item to your treasure box.
How should we react when something isn't fair?
When we do things that help our testimonies become strong, we are preparing to make sacrifices for something very important.
He's learning a lot. It's been really confidence building for my son. I don't have to worry about any of the bullying that goes on in public schools. It's gotten my son closer to Christ too. Like, I see that with the way that you guys teach.
I'm a brand new homeschool mom, so this is our first year, and AHS was the perfect answer for us.
It's been an amazing journey for me as a mother to relearn the way that I'm teaching my kids and to add these things. It's building me as a person.
This is the curriculum that I would create if I had endless time, which I don't. I don't have words to say how important family school is to us.
This program has allowed me more time to work with my very little children who need my one-on-one time. It's very inspired and definitely a gift to our family.
One time, River, our daughter with cancer, ended up going to the hospital in the evening. And the doctor asked her, "What did you learn in school today?" And she said, Bach, when he was composing his music, at the top of the page would write, "God help me," on every page. And that's the main lesson she learned that day. And that was a beautiful, applicable lesson for her life that day, was that God would help her through whatever she faced that day.